Hi, this is Mato. Welcome to my online chess lecture. In this video I will show you a game between Shakhriyar Mamedyarov and Nico Georgiadis. This is a game from Biel chess tournament played in 2018. Shakhriyar Mamedyarov had white pieces and he started with c4, the English opening. Maybe knight to f6, knight to f3, e6, knight to c3, d5, e3, black to move, a6 was played, bishop to e7, c5, and c6 are the three most played moves. a6 was played, b3, c5, bishop to b2, knight to c6, c takes on d5, e takes on d5, rook to c1, bishop to g4, pinning the knight, h3, asking a question, bishop to h5, knight to a4, pressure is on the pawn on c5, knight to d7 defending, bishop to e1 pinning, b5, knight to c3, knight to f6, and Mamedyarov castled the king's side. Bishop to e7, white to move. This is quite an interesting moment of the game. a4 was played. Perhaps d4 was expected. a4, bishop takes knight on f3. Perhaps b4 should have been considered. Bishop takes on f3. Bishop takes on f3, and now white has a bishop pair. How relevant is that? Rook to b8, a takes on b5, a takes on b5, knight to e2, queen to d6, knight to f4, knight to b4, bishop to a3, threatening to double the pawns, knight to a6, white to move. White to move and to play the obvious. What is the obvious? Which move is asking to be played? d4 was played. Perfect timing. Attacking the pinned pawn. b4, bishop to b2, and Nico Georgiadis castled king's side too. If c takes on d4, queen takes on d4, and white is still better, Georgiadis castled king's side. White to move. What would you do? Please pause and find the best move for white. What did you find? Shakhriyar Mamedyarov played bishop takes on d5. Knight takes on d5. D takes on c5. And black is lost. Knight takes on c5 was played. If knight takes on f4, c takes on d6. If queen moves, queen takes on d5. So in a difficult position, Georgiadis played knight takes on c5. Knight takes on d5. Rook from f to d8. White to move. How would you continue? Shakhriyar Mamedyarov played the best move, and that is queen to g4, allowing queen takes knight. Bishop to f8. Of course, taking the knight has a tiny downside, and that is queen takes pawn on g7, checkmate. So we have bishop to f8, defending the pawn on g7. White to move. How would you continue now? Please pause again and find the best move for white. The best move is knight to f6, check. King to h8. If queen takes on f6, bishop takes on f6. King to h8. White has a winning position. What is the best way to continue? Mamedyarov played the best move again, queen to f5, Threatening queen takes on h7, check, mate. g6. What else? g6 was played. Well, if pawn takes knight, then bishop takes on f6, check, and white is winning. One line goes like this. Bishop to g7, bishop takes rook, rook takes bishop, rook takes on c5. Back to our game. g6 was played, attacking the queen. White played a move and black resigned. And the move is knight to e4, discover, check. Black resigned in view of this continuation. King to g8, queen takes on c5. If queen takes on c5, knight takes on c5, bishop takes on c5, rook takes on c5, and white is a piece and a pawn up in a better position. What do you think of this game? And that is all. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video. I wish you good luck with your chess, and bye for now.